Bioethics means to me thinking and acting in order to put the human being at the center every day in the amazing process of life.
What bioethics means to me is voicing the voice of the voiceless and fighting for human dignity and human rights.
Bioethics is a tool that applies an integrated and multi-sectoral approach to reach ethical and moral decisions in light of advances in science and technology. Bioethics promotes wellness and peace of human and other species.
Bioethics is the science of survival, in which the biological knowledge with knowledge of human values, system, and philosophy meets all together. These provide answers of the many important life's issues, dilemma, so that we can arrive in a right and a just conclusion or decision making that we will not be affected or the other persons, the society, and the environment where we live.
Bioethics means to me setting the highest standards for the whole planet and looking at the justice through multiple dimensions.
Bioethics is a branch of applied ethics that is concerned with moral standards in healthcare research and health service delivery.
Bioethics plays an important role in our lives and the world around us. It provides us with tools needed to solve dilemmas. It provides descriptions and analysis of a vast range of important new issues. It looks at it from a global perspective and with a cross-cultural approach. Bioethics gives a solution to the main dilemmas, promoting and protecting human dignity and human rights.
First of all, it made me realize just how interconnected we are. Not just with each other, but with medicine, with the government, with the environment, and even in our spiritual life, it affects it. The interdisciplinary nature makes a lot of sense. And in our complex technological world, specialists as well as lay people ought to have a better understanding. I think that will help all of us.
It's essential in helping me to address moral dilemmas and ethical conflicts that may happen within my area of work as a researcher and within my community and the healthcare system. Importantly, it helps to remind me of the ethical principles as a person, as a researcher.
Bioethics is an interdisciplinary field. You can study bioethics from very different perspectives, but what all these perspectives have in common is the reflection, critical reflection on all the different kinds of technological interventions to modify human life, but also non-human life, animal life, vegetable life, and also affecting future generations.
Ethics is considered the crown that graces any nation. It touches all aspects of life, and from here, bioethics drawn its importance. It is involved in medical practice, biotechnology, genetics, and all their regulatory policies that establish the broad lines we can manipulate our life successfully.
Bioethics means I am duty-bound to accord all human beings respect, justice, and dignity because they have value and rights irrespective of their capabilities.
Well, it means trying to apply ethical theories to everyday problems such as the environmental crisis or issues like a pandemic era like the one we're living in nowadays.
It's the study that deals with ethical issues that are arising as a result of advances in biology and medicine. Also, bioethics, it has given a clear guideline to public health.
Bioethics encourages me to preserve and promote ethical values in society such as respect for life, honesty, fidelity, and integrity. Imbibing virtues will help me make ethical decisions. Everyone has a right to be treated equally regardless of caste, creed, race, and status.
It is an instrument for protecting and promoting human dignity. It is all inclusive and encompassing.